Hey, subconscious thinkers! Are you ready to unlock the secret superpower that turns your wildest dreams into reality? Today, we're diving into the magical world of vision boards and the law of attraction. So grab your dream hats because we're about to get crafty and creative. Vision boards are more than just pretty collages. They're your dream's compass, guiding you to your heart's desires. And when paired with the law of attraction, which is all about those good vibes, you become a magnet for your aspirations. But first, let's break it down. What's the law of attraction? Think of it as the universe's boomerang. Send out positivity, love, and hope, and that's exactly what you'll get back. But remember, it's a delicate dance with the vibes you put out there. Now, imagine a canvas that's uniquely yours, filled with images, quotes, and symbols of your future successes. That's your vision board, and it's not just a tool, it's a daily source of motivation and inspiration. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of creating your very own dream canvas. You'll need a board, magazines, photos, scissors, glue, and anything that sparks joy and inspiration. Find your zen, dream big, and start hunting for those images and words that resonate with your soul. Arrange them, play with the chaos, and then make it stick. Personalize it until it screams, you. But what's the secret sauce to supercharging your vision board? Emotion. Every time you glance at your board, feel the excitement as if your dreams are already your reality. That's the power of visualization. And it's not just wishful thinking. There's science behind this. Neuroscientists say that visualizing your goals can activate the same neural networks as if you're actually achieving them. Don't just take my word for it. Meet Jane, who manifested her dream home, and Tom, who's now rocking the graphic design world, all thanks to their vision boards. But hey, sometimes dreams take a detour. If your vision board dreams seem stuck, it's okay to pause and listen for the universe's whispers. Maybe there's a better path unfolding. And why dream alone? Group vision boards can amplify that energy. Dream together with family, friends, or colleagues, and watch as you turn each other's aspirations into reality. And for my digital dreamers, don't worry. You can create virtual vision boards too. They're perfect for updating on the go and keeping your dreams at your fingertips. Remember, dreamers, a vision board is a journey, not a destination. It evolves with you, so keep dreaming, keep manifesting, and let the universe do its thing. Your dreams are waiting for you. So what are you waiting for? Let's create, let's feel, and let's manifest the life we've always wanted. Share your vision board creations below, and let's build a community of dreamers together. Until next time, keep chasing those dreams and watch as the magic unfolds. Hit that like button if you're ready to manifest your dreams, and subscribe for more dream-chasing adventures. Dance with destiny, my friends. And remember, every vision board has a story. Let's make yours epic.